All right, last day with this boat. We got it all hooked up, strapped up, getting ready to take off and head to the dump and let them do what they do with these things. Got my big 3,300 pound strap holding it down. I got my chain hooked up. We're gonna use the Jeep as an anchor point. Got a bunch of other crap from around the homestead piled in here just because it's going to the dump. Make sure that's all good. Everything else looks all good. So we're gonna take ourselves out to the dump. Okay, here we go. We're at Waste Management. Let's see what we can make happen here. Okay, come here. Stay right there. Okay, got that done. Get this done. Okay, really slow, drive it forward. There you go. No, just go. Go. Okay, stop, stop, stop. Now back up just a little bit. Okay, that's good. That's good. Yeah, just turn around. All right, boys. That's it for this boat. We'll just go ahead and leave her beached right here. Thanks, wife. Yeah. All right, let's go see how much it's gonna cost. I was 7,320 coming in, and I'm 5,200 going out. $306.